Well, hello everybody. Do I have a great thing to offer you? Now, I am at the age, and my kids are at the age where they live far away and I'm not really doing much myself anymore, so I don't have a lot of events to scrapbook. I am giving my scrapbook stuff away. In packages, I'm going to say, in packs. I'm not giving it away, but I would like to offer this to you. Now, each one of these that I'm offering, it's the only one that I have. So whoever emails me first at creationsbykimberlyd@gmail.com, you get this first. Now, I haven't really decided on the cost. I think $25 is fair. I'm going to go ahead and use standard shipping, the medium flat rate box, which is $12.75. So, you know, the total would be the $25 with the $12.75. All right, so in this particular pack, this is like a Father's Day or a masculine theme. I'm offering this archival ink. This has never been opened before. I have two of them. This is English Ivy. This has never been opened. This is something I got at Dollar Tree, I believe. Some of the stuff I'll remember, and some of the stuff I won't remember where I got it from. This has never been used. I've had it probably as long as I've been scrapbooking, like 20 years. So it's, it's My Mind's Eye, Little Brads. And these little doodlebug buttons. Now, I have used three of these. So this is not a new item. This is from Fancy Pants. It's, you know, little button things. Put that there. This is a Teresa Collins. And these are just embellishments, different color embellishments. Have never used any of these. This is also a My Mind's Eye. I have not used this yet, so that's brand new. Here's some random chipboard embellishments. Here's some wooden, I'm calling these frames because I've used them as frames before. I just have so many of these, so I thought I'd throw those in here. I have two of these, ordered them from Mary at Carts TV, and forgot that I had one. So I'm going to put that in there for you. Each of these is 24 inches, except for that's 12 inches. So there's 3 different types of ribbon. Here's a pack of thickers, chipboard thickers from American Crafts. I've not used these before. And then some little arrow embellishments. These are chipboard embellishments. The pack it comes with more, but I cut out a little bit for you guys. And then let's throw in some My Mind's Eye stickers. So there's those two. And then some more of the embellishments. This is from Puffy Design Stickers, and it's called Goodfellows. Have not used this before. All right, so let's talk about the paper. I'm just going to kind of thumb through these. There's a like faux wood, and then some other. These were pulled out of 8x8 paper packs. And I tried to color coordinate with the whole other thing that I'm giving you. So there's those. Then I threw in some really pretty shimmer cardstock. This is 8.5 by 11, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of that. And then this is really cool. This is not vellum, but it's a very thin paper. Let's look on the back. Oh, it's Recollections. Wow. Okay, that's from Michael's. So I'm giving you 2 of those. It's not in perfect condition, but for scrapbooking or card making, you guys can figure that out. It'll be fine. And then here's a bunch of 8.5 by 11. This one's a little bit bigger than 8.5 by 11. But I just, again, I was just trying to coordinate some colors. And then these here, which are really nice for card making. And then I'm throwing in some foam. And then the Macho Nacho Soup. This is a jelly bean packet that I got. I won it at one of the scrapbook events that I had gone to many, many years ago. And I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to mess up anything that's on the inside, but you can kind of see all the different types of paper that's in this. And then it also comes with some stickers, some labels, and some other embellishments. And that's it. So you're going to get your bronze colored, copper colored foam. You're going to get this, all this paper, and the 8x8s, these embellishments, these stickers, a stamp set, some wood embellishments, some chipboard embellishments, and some other random, never used before embellishments. Again, took a couple out of there, never used that, and never used that, and this is new, and then and then these here. All right, so again, $25. First one who emails me, creationsbykimberlyd@gmail.com, and pays me for it, it's yours. So thank you so much for helping me destash. I really appreciate it. I hope to hear from y'all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.